Hi guys, today we're going to look at the last example of our clearing fractions notes. So the title of your notes that we've been working on for the last couple of days is clearing fractions, and we are going down to the very last example, which is example 4. What you'll notice here is that you have equations with fractions still, but now there are parentheses. So you have the distributive property with fractions. We don't want to distribute with fractions, so we're going to continue this theme of clearing the fraction. You're going to look for the LCM of your denominators. So 3 and 5 both go into 15. So we're going to multiply every term by 15. And when you have parentheses like this whole thing is considered to be one term. So we're just going to multiply it once by 15. And then we're going to multiply the 3/5 x by 15, and then don't forget the 12. That keeps your equation balanced, multiplying each term by the same number. And so we're going to cross cancel. We're going to go through, and 15 is going to cross out and divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And that 5 is going to multiply just with the 2 on the outside of the parentheses. So we end up with 10, and we bring down x minus 8 stays the same. And then equals, and then I divide. 15 divided by 5 is 3. I multiply 3 times 3x, and that's going to give me 9x. And then 15 times 12 is going to be 180. So again, we've cleared fractions, only this time we're going to distribute with just, after we clear the fraction, with the number that ends up in front of the parentheses. So I'm going to end up with 10x minus 80 equals 9x plus 180. I will subtract 9x from both sides. That gives me x minus 80 equals 180. I'm going to add 80 to both sides, and I end up with x equals 260. Okay? So once you clear the fractions, it's just a routine equation, but we have a couple of examples like this tonight on your homework where you have fractions with the distributive property. Use these notes to help you, and I will see you guys tomorrow.